Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the economics first chapter, the natural resources. So what is the meaning of natural resources? What are all the types of natural resources? What are all the classifications of the natural resources? What is the difference between renewable and non-renewable natural resources? Okay, that the black diagram of the natural resources. See, the what is the meaning of the natural resources? What is natural resources? And natural resources are naturally occurring substances that are considered valuable in their natural forms. That is also called what? The natural resources. The natural resources are the gift of the nature. Okay. See, according to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, there is enough for everybody need, but not for anybody greed. Okay, according to Mahatma Gandhi, tell like this: the natural resources are there is enough for everybody's needs, but not for anybody greeds. That is the importance of the natural resources. Okay, the natural resources include the renewable and non-renewable natural resources. The natural resources are exploited to create the products and services that we depend on. The natural resources extraction causes the great environmental depression. Okay, there are two types of this is the black diagram of the natural resources. See, for example, there are two types of natural resources. Okay, see the renewable and non-renewable. The renewable natural resources and non-renewable natural resources. See, the renewable natural resources means, but see the non-exhaustible natural resources. The renewable natural resources that can be used over and over again. Okay, see this the renewable natural resources are nothing but water. The renewable resources are non-exhaustible resources also same. There is no any differentiation. Okay, the what is the meaning of renewable and non-exhaustible natural resources means the resources that can be used over and over again. What are all the best examples of the natural, renewable natural resources? Solar energy, air, wind, water, and soil, plants, okay, sunlight, okay. These are all the best examples of the, for example, what is it? Renewable natural resources. The non-renewable natural resources means what? Exhaustible natural resources. The exhaustible natural resources, nothing but the resources that can be used once, okay, cannot be created again. This type of resources, nothing but non-renewable or exhaustible natural resources. What are all the best examples of the non-renewable natural resources are coal, petroleum, natural gas, gold, copper, manganese, bauxite, and different types of metallic and non-metallic minerals. Okay, so metallic and non-metallic minerals, iron, copper, aluminum, non-metallic minerals like that. The for example, the fossil fuel, oil, coal, and natural gas. These are all the best examples of the renewable and non-renewable natural resources. This is the black diagram of the natural resources. This is the types of the what are the types of natural resources? See, there are two types of natural resources. See here also. Yeah, see for example, see renewable and non-renewable. This is the classification. The classification of the natural resources also. Okay, see is there. See what are all the classifications of the natural resources? What are all the types of the natural resources? The natural resources. For example, the renewable natural resources are the best example for the plants, animals. Non-renewable resources, nothing but water, minerals, then soil and the fossil fuels. Okay, like the coal, petroleum. Okay, natural gas. These are all the best example of the fossil fuels and non-renewable natural resources. The minerals, metallic and non-metallic minerals. These are all the best examples of the non-renewable natural resources. Okay, here also clear information. So what are the renewable resources? The non-exhaustible resources. The resources can be replaced naturally in the courses of time are called renewable natural resources. The resources that can be used over and over again. Okay, this is also called what? Exhaustible natural resources. Okay, see, for example, what are the examples of the non-exhaustible or renewable natural resources? Means air, water, sunlight, wind, forest, land, heat. These are all the best examples of the non-exhaustible natural resources. What are the examples of the non-renewable natural resources? So what is the meaning of non-renewable natural resources? Means what? The resources that can be used once. Okay, and listen carefully. The resources that can be used once cannot be created again. The resources that exist in limited supply and cannot be replaced. Okay, if they are used up are the called non-renewable natural resources. What are the best examples of the non-renewable natural resources? Oil, natural gas, coal, natural gas, wind energy, different types of metallic and non-metallic minerals like that gold, copper, manganese, bauxite, natural gas, petroleum, coal. These are all the best examples of the non-renewable natural resources. Here also clear information is there. See, first remember what is the difference between renewable and non-renewable. The renewable resources, nothing but renewable energy. The non-renewable resources, nothing but non-renewable energy. See, for example, the sunlight, hydropower engine, okay, the bio energy, for example, what is it? For example, wind energy. Okay, say, for example, the non-renewable energy, fossil fuels, coal, nuclear energy, and natural gases. Okay, these are all the best examples of the non-renewable natural resources. Okay, see, for example, what is it in our Earth surface? Okay, see for example, the layer of the earth. See you know very well the important layers of the earth. Okay, the important layers of the atmosphere. See for example, biosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere. Okay, see you know the difference between biosphere, the okay, the layer of the earth where life possible is called what a biosphere. In like that only, see for example the layer of the okay, see for example surrounded by air, okay, possible is called what atmosphere. In like that only, the surrounded by water, it is also called what hydrosphere. The surrounded by land, okay, it is also called what lithosphere. Like that. Okay, see for example in our earth surface covered by water in 71%, the land in 29%. See, that's what the environment. See, for example, what is so for example, what all the important elements are there in our environment. See, for example, different types of metallic and non-metallic minerals, biotic and abiotic substances, living and non-living things. Okay, na? See, for example, these are all the best examples of the what is it? Renewable and non-renewable resources. Like that only, the resources can also be classified as two types: the biotic and abiotic substances resources. What is the meaning of biotic? Okay, biotic and abiotic resources. See, the biotic resources are those that are derived from living organisms. Okay, the biotic resources are those, okay, that are derived from the living organism, is also called what? The biotic resources. What are all the best examples of the biotic resources? The plants, animals, and human beings. Okay, human being also. Okay, see, the abiotic substances are natural resources. Abiotic resources are those that are derived from the non-living components like water, soil, air. Okay, these are all the best examples of the abiotic substances. Okay, the next, the classifications of the natural resources. Okay, see for example, the land resources, water resources, okay, energy resources, mineral resources, and forest resources. These are all the classifications of the resources, classifications of the natural resources. Okay, see for example, what is it? What are all the main important the scarcity of the resources? The next slide is what scarcity of resources, the overpopulation, the growing industrializations, okay, expanding urban areas, atmospheric pollution, water pollution, and the land degradations. These are all the scarcity of resources. The first one, the overpopulation. The overpopulation. Say, for example, in our country, the second largest country in the world in population growth wise. The China is the first largest country in the world in population growth wise. In like that only, in 700 crores are there in all over the world. The total strength of the population is 700 crore. Okay, see the 700 crores. Okay, that's what I'm telling. See the overpopulation. See the increasing the population. Okay, requires the additional land for the growing additional food and providing shelter, which is meant through the conservation of the forest land into the agriculture land and agriculture land into the residential land, the commercial land and industrial land. See, the overpopulation also one of the main social evil. Okay, this one also one of the main problem. Okay, the overpopulation. The increasing the population requires the additional land for the growing additional food and providing a shelter, which is met okay through the conservation of the forest, okay, land into the agricultural land and agricultural land into the residential land and commercial land and industrial land. This is also called but this is also one of the main necessity, okay, the natural resources. Okay, see for example next slide is what growing industrializations. The for example the third largest city in the world in industrial growth wise, the Bangalore. Okay, see the for industrialization, the industrial. Okay, so for example, for example, the power of the country. Okay, see for example, it is a reduction of the development of the industries only that. Okay, see for example, the growing industrialization with the increased industrializations, extraction of the mineral foods, food, oil, and water increase. Okay, resulting in emptying of mines. Okay, oil, wells, and water sources. The growing industrialization. See, for example, the rapid of industrialization. Okay, the overdevelopment of the industrializations. The industrializations also one of the main causes of the okay. For example, the scarcity of the natural resources. Okay, see, for example, in LPG, the liberalization, privatization, and globalizations, in urbanization, modernization, and industrializations. These are all the main important uh, causes of the okay. The what is it? The pollution of the environment. Okay, the pollution and pollutant and polluted. Okay, the different types of pollutions also. Okay, air pollution, water pollution, noise pollutions, soil pollution, and plastic pollution also. Okay, these are all the main causes of the okay the damage of the environment. Okay, that's what. See, for example, in our environment is there. No, see, for example, that's what we are all celebrating World Environmental Day in June 5th. Okay, those who are celebrate all over the world, that is also called what the Universal Celebration Days. Okay, that is the Universal Celebration that days. For example, the World Environmental Day and also one of the Universal Celebration Day. The growing industrialization is one of the scarcity of the natural resources. The next, expanding urban areas. See, urbanizations. Okay, see for example, the fifth largest city in the world in development growth wise, the Bengaluru, the Silicon City, Silicon Valley. Okay, see for example, is it or not? See for example, there are four in our country. There are four metropolitan cities are there: Delhi, Calcutta, Mumbai, Bombay, like that. See for example, in urbanization, also the urban areas are where a huge population lives in the small area. Okay, the naturally. Okay, see the demand for resources and the generation of waste is very high, contributing to the reducing in quantity and quality of the resources. Okay, this is the main important causes of the over the urbanization also, the expanding urban areas also. Okay, so this is also one of the main causes of the damage of the environment. Okay, the scarcity of the resources. Okay, so expanding urban areas are the where a huge population lives in the small areas. Naturally, the demand for resources and the generations of the waste wastage is very high contribution to. reduction in quantity of quality of the resource. Then atmospheric pollution. You know the pollution. Okay, you know the meaning of pollution. The pollution, pollutant, and polluter. We are the polluter. Okay, see for example, for example, listen carefully. What is it? See the ozone layer, the damage of the ozone layer. Okay, which is the main causes of the damage of the ozone layer. See for example, the CFC, the chlorofluorocarbon, the poisonous gases released from industry, the poisonous gases released from vehicles, the poisonous gases released from human being. Okay, na? See that's what the for example, which is the main causes of the damage of the ozone layer. Okay, see for example the CFC. Okay, and greenhouse effect and global warming. Okay, see these are all the main reasons. Okay, the damage of the ozone layer, the what is the damage of the atmosphere also. Okay, see for example, what is it? That's what the loss, the brightness of Taj Mahal also. Okay, the Taj Mahal. This is the seven wonders of the world. Okay, see the why the loss of brightness of the Taj Mahal, because of the greenhouse effect, because of the damage of the ozone layer, because of the global warming. Okay, see because of the pollution, the polluting activities. Okay, pollution, pollutant, and polluters. They are the polluters. Okay, the different types of pollutions also, you know. Okay, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution, and plastic pollution also. Okay, what is the meaning of atmospheric pollution? With the generate the burning of the the fossil fuels like coal, diesel, and petrol, more harmful elements like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, sulfur, salt and dust get into the air pollution, air polluting it. The atmospheric pollution. See, for example, what is it? With the greater burning. Okay, the fossil fuel like coal, diesel, and petrol, more harmful elements like carbon dioxide, carbon. See, for example, the poisonous gases released from vehicle, carbon monoxide, the poisonous gases released from industry, carbon dioxide. Okay, na. See, there is all the what is it? The pollutant gases. Okay, the for example, the damage of the what is it? The air pollution. Okay, see for example, that's what the for example atmospheric pollution is one of the what is the scarcity of the pollution, the scarcity of the resources. The next water pollution and land okay degradations. The water pollution, different types of pollutions. Okay, water pollution is one of the major pollution. Okay, when the human, hospital, industrial, and other waste are dumped in the open spaces, they affect the land and water, reducing the quality as well as the availability. The water pollution. The water pollution also, for example, some important, for example, the causes of the water pollution. Some what is it? The communicable and non-communicable diseases, epidemic diseases, and the viral diseases like that. See, for example, important diseases, diseases are coming. Okay, I see that's what the water pollution and land degradation. That's one of the main strategy of the what is it? Natural resources. Okay, see that's what the environment. These are all the natural resources. Like what are the types of natural resources, classification of natural resources, and the block diagram of the natural resources. Okay, see then what are all the important what is it the scarcity of the natural resources, the types of natural resources, and the classification of the natural resources, biotic and abiotic substances, renewable and non-renewable resources. Okay, so like that, what is the meaning of resources? Okay, then what are the importance of the natural resources? Okay, thank you so much for cooperation. Okay.